It's your boy Tap Money. Just got his package in from, you see that, my man Norman Shy over at TP Power. Give y'all this unboxing. One-handed production, so bear with me. Look at that. Getting good, getting good. Scissors. Be careful with these young people. We're gonna gorilla bear attack these youngs. Special effects. Because my editing sucks. A little bit more special effects. Scene almost over. Scissors. Click, click, click. Oh, there. Boom. And we're in. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, you see it, baby. TP Power Custom. I hit him up, told him what I do, and my man Norm hooked me up. Told him what kind of motor I was looking for, and he sent me. I told him at first they didn't have this kind of motor in. So we went to the drawing board with it. I got an email back. We got the motor ready for you. TP Power. Y'all the crib. Check that baby out. Look at that. Ooh. 4070 can. 8mm shaft. Vented. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Look at that vented can. 8mm shaft in there too. Look at that big son of a whatchamacallit. Goodness gracious. Man, this is a beast. And I got one and I'm still can't believe how big they really are. Look at that front, it's beautiful. So we're gonna get the soldering. I don't know if I'm gonna take the one that I have in my GT, my Hyper GT out and put this one in, or if I'm just might, I don't know, start a new project with this big son of a beast right here. Like I said, man, I ain't sponsored by them or nothing, but I like their products. You gotta hit them up. TP Power. Alright, it's Tap Money. Holla at your boy. We gonna get the soldering, y'all. One love.